everyone. My name is Ruby, and I want to take a moment to thank WREN from the bottom of my heart. I attended the Ignite session, the Ignite event, and I won the Tony Robbins Unleash the Power Within event in one of their raffles, and I was so lucky. I got to attend with my husband since the event was online, and it was so transformative because together as a couple we were able to work through our limiting beliefs and learn so much knowledge from ourselves and business and just tapping into our potential. So I'm still a year later, I'm still so thankful that I got to experience that, and I wish everybody could experience it. So thank you, Ren, for this amazing gift. Thank you for all the mentorship. Thank you for being there. Thank you for creating a network of women that can support each other to be badasses, even if it's just badass in potential. We will all help each other rise. So thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm happy that WREN it's thriving, it's growing around the nation, and I cannot wait to see what the future of WREN holds. So thank you, and I'll see you at the next event.